Jeep LJ here, and just going to do a demonstration on my Black Magic big brake kit, the 17-inch. These things are really good. I always tell people about them, but I'm not sure everyone believes me. Tell them I can lock up my brakes, I mean my 35-inch tires, and I don't know, to me safety is the key. There's no sense in spending a lot of money on your Jeep and you can't stop, and you know, with big tires on it you need something to stop your vehicle. So anyways, I got a kind of a great this cyclist. I'm gonna have to give him a little bit. Well, I'll pass it. Anyways, there's this downhill road here. And I'll get going, I don't know, 50 miles an hour and hit the brakes and show you what happens. I'm gonna have to stop this video and let the cyclist out of the way if he doesn't turn, because I don't want to be slamming on the brakes in front of him. Yep, he's going down. All right, I'm gonna stop this and continue in a second. Give him some time.